Hey guys, if you guys are here to learn about Korean culture and Korean language, you're in the right channel. Hit the subscribe button right now and let's get started. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching and responding to my introduction video. Link right here if you haven't watched it already. Many people requested that they want to learn Korean language or Hangul from me, and I'll be happy to provide you with some basic Korean language lessons, real easy and fun. Alright, so the topics that I'll be covering will be basics such as yes, no, 아니, okay, 그래, I like it, 좋아, I don't like it, 싫어, thank you, 고마워, 감사합니다, you're welcome, 천만에, sorry, 미안, that's fine, 괜찮아, please, 제발, I don't understand, 나 이해가 안 가, 모르겠어, of course, 물론이지. Or greetings such as hi, 안녕, bye, 안녕, what's up, 뭐해? Nice to meet you, 만나서 반가워. How are you? 잘 지냈어? Good morning, 좋은 아침. Good afternoon, 야, 밥 먹었냐? Good night, 잘 자. See you later, 다음에 만나. See you tomorrow, 내일 봐. Bye, 잘 가, 안녕. Or calling relatives such as 오빠, 언니, 누나, 형, 동생, 엄마, 아빠, 야 임마, 친구야. Or asking questions such as what's your name? 이름이 뭐예요? How old are you? 몇 살이에요? What time is it? 몇 시야? Where's the bathroom? 화장실이 어디예요? Why? 왜? Really? 진짜? How much is it? 얼마예요? Or I can even teach you guys bad words such as 바보, 멍청이, 병신, 개새끼, 씨발, 존나, 샹, and things like that. Alright, so guys, please comment down below about what topics you want me to cover first. And again, the topics covered will be basics, greetings, asking questions, calling your friends or relatives, or bad words. And also, if there's anything else that you want to know, like lyrics from your favorite song or a line from a K-drama or movie, just comment down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel again, and I hope to see you guys soon.